Attention everyone, L trains are not running between 14th Street Union Square and 8th Avenue because of scheduled maintenance. As an alternative, take the M14 bus at 14th Street. Attention everyone, L trains are not running between 14th Street Union Square and 8th Avenue because of accessibility improvements. As an alternative, take the M14 bus at 14th Street.
Attention everyone, L trains are not running between 8th Avenue and Union Square because of accessibility improvements. The 7th Avenue passageway connecting the 1, 2, and 3 lines and the F and L lines is also closed. For service between 8th Avenue and Union Square, use the M14 or L92 bus. A free transfer is available between 1, 2, and 3 trains and the F trains by walking to 6th Avenue and using your Omni or Metro card.
Attention passengers, L trains are not running between 14th Street Union Square and 8th Avenue in either direction because of track maintenance. The passageway that connects the 1, 2, 3, and F line are also closed. As an alternative for service, take the M14 bus. Free Omni or Metro card transfer between 7th Avenue on the 1, 2, and 3 line and at 6th Avenue on the F line.